Hey everybody, Norm from Tested here at Monsterpalooza, and I'm so excited because Lustre Effects is here. This is Young from Lustre Effects. It's
Hi.
a huge pleasure to meet you.
Huge pleasure to meet you too.
I'm such a big fan of your work on Instagram.
I'm a fan of your
Oh no, you guys do so much cool stuff, and I've seen these that you guys posted. These are the Daruma dolls?
Daruma dolls is a series. So we started from these two. This from last year. And this year we put a new version of these two, and also the mini version. They can move like this.
Oh my gosh! So for people out there who don't know, the Daruma dolls, they're a classic Asian character.
Yeah.
It's like a good luck charm.
Yes,
right?
It's originally from Japan. It's something you can bless into. You can make wish through Daruma. And we want to do a more Western design. Like we took the shape of the traditional Daruma, and then we put a more Western face, like a more monster-liking face. We want to put character into. There are two kinds of face. So they're both like angry old man who has the power to make your wish come true.
It is
kind of like that.
Such a great idea. It's like this hyper-realistic design, but still, if you look at it, you've seen these at like Japanese restaurants or local places.
Yeah.
Like these are the classic Daruma dolls. Now, these are different faces. They represent different colors or different parts of the...
They have different meanings. And we are from China. We're based in Beijing, so everyone has a writing, Chinese writing here. Like this is for the richness, for money, and this is courage, and this is spirit. That is for blessing of happiness. So everyone has their own meaning for different wishes.
Allows you then to sculpt and give them different personalities too.
Yes.
I love how detailed it is. So Lustre Effects, you guys are an effects company.
Yes, we.
And what type of things do you do?
We're kind of trying to do everything of SFX, from costume to sculpting or things like this. Here, all the pieces are originally designed by us, and then we sculpt. Then we try to do effects like hair punching or some pops, some things like this.
Yeah, and it really reads as something that's like beautifully painted. The hair punching work can't be easy. These are all done by hand?
Actually, my job. I'm the hair punching person to do all the hairs like for my studio.
And they're like different facial styles too for these. So when you're making like 200 of these, that's all day long. You're punching.
Yes, all day long. But now I'm getting used to it because we have sale like over 100 in over the world.
Wow.
Because we are selling this,
So people can find this and reach out, and they can buy these right now.
Yes, they can email us to order. Yeah. And also in here we have 18 stock. So you can buy directly. It's much more easier.
Absolutely, which is why I was so happy to see you guys here in America and at Monsterpalooza.
Yeah, we are so happy too.
Now I noticed you also have the smaller ones for people who want the big ones.
You can move like this.
Oh, they're weighted. Wow.
Yeah.
That is so charming. Do you have more different ideas down the line that you guys are thinking about? Do you want, like I've seen on your Instagram, you do some pop culture characters.
Yes.
What's coming up next for Lustre Effects?
Coming up next, we want to do more original pieces like this, like the fly and the fish. Like we want to combine like Chinese traditional things to more Western, like monster things. But we want to keep our character. Like because we're based in China and we are all Chinese, so we'll bring more like traditional things for the working project. Yeah.
And I love that they're all really big scale too.
Yeah, we want to do things as big, as much more detail, as much.
That is so cool. It's a pleasure to meet you, Yang.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.